In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your supplier on 1688 app without an agent. First, open the 1688 app and log into your account. The default language is Chinese, so if you prefer English, look for the language setting in the app or use your device's translate features for on-screen text. Even if some parts remain in Chinese, don't worry, we'll rely on visual cues like buttons and order fields that are consistent. Next, pick a product that supports direct payment. Open the product page and make sure you can clearly see the price, the minimum order quantity, often shown as MOQ, and that the buy or Xia Dan button is active. If you only see a prompt to contact the supplier, that listing usually doesn't allow direct payment inside the app, which means you'll need to choose a different product or arrange an offline method. Before you pay, chat with the supplier. This is important for confirming product details, the final price, MOQ, stock availability, and shipping options. A helpful message to send is 可以直接在1688下单吗? Which means, can I place the order directly on 1688? This ensures the seller accepts direct checkout and avoids surprises like altered pricing or unavailable variants. When you're ready, place the order. Select the quantity, color, and size exactly as discussed with the seller, then tap Buy Now or Xia Dan. Take a moment to review the order summary so it matches what you agreed on in the chat. Add your shipping address. Most buyers use a China-based warehouse or freight forwarder address. This is recommended because it simplifies domestic delivery and your forwarder can handle consolidation and international shipping. If the seller supports shipping abroad directly, you can enter your international address, but confirm costs and delivery times in advance. Always double-check the address format and include any warehouse codes or notes your forwarder requires. Choose your payment method. You'll typically see Alipay balance, an Alipay-linked bank card, and sometimes a credit or debit card option if the seller allows it. Note that WeChat Pay is usually not supported on 1688. If you're using a bank card, be aware of possible foreign transaction fees. Finally, complete the payment. Confirm the total amount, including any domestic shipping shown, then authorize the payment in Alipay. You should see a confirmation in the app once it goes through. At that point, your order is officially placed. Save your order number and payment confirmation for reference, and keep your chat thread open in case you need to follow up on shipping or variants. That's it. Simple, secure, and no agent required.